Is your Peugeot 508's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door latch switches and a depleted siren battery. First, the door switches. These small components detect if your doors are properly closed. Over time, they can corrode or become misaligned, sending false signals. Visually inspect them for damage and test with a multimeter. Resistance should be less than 1 ohm when the door is closed. If faulty, replacement switches cost around $20 to $50. Second, the siren battery. This backup power source ensures the alarm works even if your car battery dies. It typically lasts 1 to 2 years. A weak or dead siren battery can also trigger false alarms. You'll usually find the siren under the hood near the firewall. Replacing the battery is a simple fix, costing only $5 to $10. Make sure to check the polarity before inserting the new battery. Remember to disconnect the car battery before performing any electrical work. After addressing potential switch or battery issues, it's crucial to reset the alarm system. For models pre-2023, insert your key, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and press the lock button on your key fob 5 times within 10 seconds, then turn the key off. Newer models may allow you to reset the alarm system through the infotainment system. If problems persist after these fixes and reset, you may need to get the car scanned for error codes with a Peugeot-specific OBD2 scanner. The error code B1A01 often indicates a door switch fault. Software updates for 2018-2023 models released in 2024 address alarm glitches. Some Peugeot 508 models from 2014 to 2018 may be subject to a recall due to faulty latch switches. If these basic steps don't solve the issue, consult a professional mechanic. They can diagnose more complex problems and prevent electrical damage.